Good afternoon, dear students. In this video lecture, I am going to explain you about the human circulatory system. That is, how does circulation of blood takes place in our body, as well as we will also discuss about the working of human heart. So, first of all, we will know that the human heart is four chambered. The upper two chambers are known as the auricles or the atria, and the lower chambers are known as the ventricles. Internally, all the heart chambers are separated from each other by the septa, and the ventricles are separated by interventricular septum from each other. So let's talk about the circulation. First of all, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from all the parts of the body into the right atrium. From the right atrium, the deoxygenated blood goes into the right ventricle. And from the right ventricle, pulmonary arteries arises which takes the deoxygenated blood into the lungs for its oxygenation. Then the pulmonary vein takes that oxygenated blood from the lungs and bring that blood into the left atrium. So the oxygenated blood from the left atrium goes into the left ventricle. And from the left ventricle, aorta arises which takes this oxygenated blood from the left ventricle into the whole parts of the body. This is about the circulation of the blood. Now let's talk about the working of human heart. So first of all, what will happen when the muscles of all the four chambers are relaxed? At that time, the blood from the larger veins fills into the arteria. Means the deoxygenated blood which carried out by the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, they brings that deoxygenated blood into the right atrium, and the left atrium receives the oxygenated blood which was carried out by the pulmonary veins. Then both these arteria contract. So from the right atrium, the blood goes into the right ventricle, and from the left atrium, the oxygenated blood goes into the left ventricle. Then both these ventricles contract. When the right ventricle contract, the blood means the deoxygenated blood is carried out by the pulmonary arteries, and they take the blood into the lungs for its oxygenation. And from the left ventricle, the oxygenated blood is supplied to all the parts of the body through the pulmonary aorta. This is about the working of the human heart. Thank you.